Hi.
What's up everyone? My name is Ganja and today I'll be reviewing Space Beam's glow-in-the-dark paint. I purchased this paint on Amazon and I will be leaving a link below so that you can go check it out for yourself. I'm gonna start working on a landscape to be able to figure out where I want to layer the glow-in-the-dark paint. Now that I have the landscape figured out, I want to layer the glow-in-the-dark paint around the mountains to seem like it's coming from the back of the mountains. Since I've never worked with this product before, I'm just going to take my time and layer it a little bit at a time to see how it interacts with the canvas. As I layer it down, I can tell that it has more of a consistency similar to a glue, and that it dries pretty quickly. The consistency of the product is very similar to a glue compared to an acrylic paint, but so far I really think I like working with this product. Alright guys, and the moment you've all been waiting for, time to turn the lights off. In the end, I really recommend this product to artists that are looking for some glow-in-the-dark paint. Again, I found this product on Amazon and the link will be in the description below. Alright guys, that's it for me today, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And we'll see you guys next time.
Goodbye.